So, welcome students, everyone. Today I want to converse all my students. And first of all, I want to converse with Sapnali Banerjee. So, Sapnali, come here.
Good afternoon, sir. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm also fine.
Okay. So, how are you feeling here? Just join this class.
Few months ago in January month, I have joined this class, and I feel that it is necessary to learn each and every language. Means we can't means when we will go to the other countries, we need to communicate. Maybe we need to communicate with the other peoples in English. So it is very necessary for everybody to learn the language English.
Very good. So, what is the most important part to learn English?
I have said that the most important part to learn English is that when we will go to other country, when maybe we need to communicate with other pupils, and I think if we learn the language English, then there will be no bad thing with happen with us. So it is. Necessary to learn English, because when we will go to the other country, we need to communicate with the other peoples with English.
Okay, very good. So, what is the suggestions that the new learner here present? So, what is your opinion to learn and communicate with these students here?
As you were my teacher, you know that in my first stage I was also scared and nervous like them, but I have that confidence on me. For that reason, I have learned English a little bit. So this is my instruction or suggestion for each and everybody, the new learner. Be confident on yourself. Self-confident. Without self-confidence, you can't learn anything. And if you are scared and nervous, it's not possible for you to learn anything or to achieve your goal.
Very good. So, in this modern era, we have to learn English because you know that this is called a global language as well, and also it's international language. So, we have to learn very well this language. Right?
Yes.
So, what is the needed for the learners who are just scared about it?
Because means who are scared to learn English, it is not needed to be scared, because if we think anything that it is easy, then it is easy. If we think that it is hard, then it is hard for us. If we learn the English by giving our affectionate intimacy and our love, our means all by providing all our emotions to the subject English, then it will be easier to us. And we all know that in our country, to get a job, to get a standard job, basically English is a very, very, very important language.
Okay, very good. So, we know that as we are Bengalis, so is this important to learn English?
Yes, as we are Bengalis or Bengalis, whatever you said, that we need to learn English, because British ruled our country, India, around 2000 years. And for that, the